I have the OnePlus 15, and let me show you how to show or hide the caller ID. So if you go to the phone app and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings, go here and tap on operator related settings. Tap on that and then you'll see the option my number. You can tap on that and it's going to check the current status. If you have two SIM cards, then it's going to show you for both SIM cards. Now choose the SIM card you want to hide your caller ID as you make outgoing calls. It's going to be set on network default. You can choose hide number like that, and that's going to hide your phone number as you make outgoing calls. And if you want to show your phone number, you can either choose network default in case your network defaults to showing the phone number, or you can force it to show the number in case your network does not show a number by default. So you can do the same for the other SIM card as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.